Creating Pages and Menus. Under the tab, it's split into three areas. The top two links will take you to the Edit Pages and Edit Menu. Then you have the fixed pages built into Tovuti, and then a quick links area. Any page that you edit on a regular basis, we would suggest adding it to the quick links. So first of all, let's create a page. You can get to it by either clicking this link or using the large icon here. So, first of all, we're browsing all of the pages that exist within this Tovuti. To give you an explanation of this page, at the top we have a search bar to try and find your pages quickly. You can restrict by permission type, finding either public pages, registered user pages, or things that's locked to a specific user or group. Type in the search string, press search to find your page. Here you will now see all of the pages that's currently listed, whether they are currently visible, and then the controls. The first icon lets you view the web page, the second one lets you edit it, and the third one lets you create a subpage. When creating a page, you can create it in two ways. First of all, you can add a new blank page, or you can create one from a template. Let's create one from a template. Now we can see it's quickly pre-populated the page with some content for you, ready for you to edit. So a quick explanation of this Create Page screen. Here you can type in the name of your page. So this is a test page. If you wish to hide it straight away, you can click Hide. It will not be visible in the sitemap and it will not be visible to any of your users. This helps you prepare a page before launching it to the wide world. The next section that we have is the page searching extras. You can add keywords to your page that aren't viewed on the page but are simply used as an additional help when searching. For example, if you're searching for builder, you might also want to add the keywords of building, construction, so that anybody searching for builder will be navigated to this particular page. The next section is where you edit the actual content of the page. The toolbar at the top, which is a very word processor-like toolbar, giving you as close to WYSIWYG as possible, is explained on a subsequent video. As the quick guide will note here, extended options are available once the page has been created. So let's go ahead and create that page. Here is the test page. So let's go in and edit it and see what extended features that we have. The first thing to note is the page SEO overrides. We strongly recommend that only an SEO specialist edit this. The next area is feature blocks, where you can add a feature block to the page. This again is explained on the advanced page editing video. Now we have here files attached to this page. In a moment we will demonstrate adding a file to a page. If you navigate to the help, you can see there is extended help on what files are acceptable within the Tovuti system. Lower down we have access controls. This is quite a powerful tool. This lets you restrict this page to either public viewing, whereby everybody can access this page, registered users, so only those logged in on your system can actually see this page, a user group, so that you can restrict this to a group of users, and an individual user. So here you can set which specific user can see this page. And at the bottom we have forms. This is explained on the advanced page editing video. To give you a demonstration of files attached to a page and forms attached to a page. I will just now navigate to an example page. Here you can see a form which is used for getting feedback from your users. We also have additional forms which we've created for you. For example, here's a page for, again, getting feedback from the users. And here we've used a free t-shirt giveaway to encourage users to give us some feedback. So if I scroll down, here, the simple form with a simple rating system. Equally, we also have a little bit more detailed form, for example, a simple booking system. With the form, you can actually have special pages that once the form has been completed, the user is directed to. For example, the Book Now form has Book Now successful. Request a call has Request a call successful. Now if we navigate back to the page editing, so here is an image that we've pre-populated, and you can quickly scale it down, add more text to the screen, style it in any number of ways. Once you've finished, press Update, and your changes have been committed to the system. So let's now look at adding this page to a menu. We return again to the Menus and Pages tab, and under Create and Edit Menus, here are the current menus in the system. Let's create a new one. Over here on the right hand side you can see a little form area, and we'll type in the new menu, and we'll call it New Menu. Click Create, and you see we have the new menu. Editing the new menu, if you click this icon, currently as you can see there are no items added to the menu. So let's add our page that we've just created. So if we scroll down and find the test page, here it is. We can now include that page, and if that page has sub-pages, for example here under Tour, if you click Add Children, it will also add those children. So for example, let's give you a demonstration. If I click Include Page and Add Children, you will note that all of these other pages will also come along too. So let's add that. Now we can see that we have all of these items in the menu. Now once this page is here, you can add sub-pages by using this particular feature here, or categories, product, custom, and built-in. So simply choose which item you want to, click on the Create submenu, navigate to what you want, and here we can now see that news is added as a sublink of this particular page here. Now we can also add built-in links. For example here are all the built-in links currently existing within Tovuti. We can add a product or a custom link. So for example, let's add a custom link. Simply type in the URL. So I could add a homepage link, and I could give this the name of Go Back to the Home Page, and create that. Now we have Go Back to the Home Page. The settings for the menu give you a few simple options. If you wish this particular item on the menu to be a heading, click the checkbox for the heading. You can change the text that's visible on the actual link. You can also change the embedded title of the link, as well as modifying the URL. When you click the particular item, you can have it pop open on the same page that you're currently on, or you have the option for a new tab or window. Once you've finished editing this, click the Submit button and that will be committed. Menus have an additional feature. If you note at the top, currently it's set to mouse over to show submenu. You simply hover over the item and any submenu items will then immediately appear. If you wish to add additional classes to the UL tag within the menu, use this custom classes here to type in additional classes. For example, we can add my class. Once you've finished, click Update and your changes will be committed. Once you've created the menu, you can then add it to your website. This is shown in a subsequent video in the Designer Suite.